Everyone, we the students of the Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department at Coimbatore Institute of Technology have developed a project on early detection of diabetes using machine learning models. Myself, Nitin Shivkumar, and today we are going to talk about an important and growing health concern, diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease that affects how our body processes blood sugar. It is one of the most common health problems worldwide and is increasing rapidly due to unhealthy lifestyles and lack of physical activity. One major challenge is that many people are unaware they have diabetes until it reaches an advanced stage, which can lead to serious complications like heart disease, kidney failure, and vision problems. Traditional diagnosis methods are time consuming and not easily accessible, especially in rural areas. So, in a project, we developed a machine learning based system that analyzes patient health data and predicts diabetes at an early stage. We used models like Logistic Regression and Random Forest, where random forest performed better. This helps in early detection and supports doctor in making faster data-driven decisions.
Myself Akash Raj. No, the objective of our project is to develop a machine learning model for early diabetes prediction using patient data. We aim to classify individuals as diabetic or non-diabetic and improve early detection using features like glucose, BMI, and age. We also compare logistic regression and random forest to find the best model. For dataset, we use Pima Indians dataset, which contains 768 records with 8 inputs features. The output is binary, where 0 indicates non-diabetic and 1 indicates diabetic.
Myself Aditya. Today I will be briefly discussing data pre-processing and model used for diabetes prediction. First, handling missing values, invalid entries like zero glucose or BMI are replaced using mean or median to ensure the clean data. Then train test split. 80% of data is used to train and 20% for testing to evaluate performance on unseen data. We used logistic regression for simple interpretable prediction and random forest for higher accuracy and handling complex patterns.
This is Akash Bira. I'll briefly explain the workflow, evaluation metrics, and results. First, the workflow. Patient data is taken as input, pre-processed, and used to train logistic regression and random forest models. The system then predicts whether the patient is diabetic or not. Next, the evaluation metrics. We used accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to measure and compare model performance. Finally, the results. Random forests perform better than the logistic regression, with glucose being the most important factor, followed by BMI and age.
This is Tulasidaran. So, our project focuses on using machine learning to predict diabetics using basic healthcare parameters. The key takeaway is that these models are not just theoretical, they can deliver practical predictions and good accuracy. When we compare models, random forest better than logistic regression. This is mainly because random forest can handle complex patterns. Now, coming to the future improvements, our goal is to build a completely independent besides system. This means it can function without relying on mobile apps, web dashboards. We also aim to develop real time intelligence. Instead of reacting, the system will learn patient behavior over time and predict needs in advance.